hits after hits. Come on, y'all. Different, but what that's supposed to mean? We from different countries, but we share the same dream. I feel like this whole thing was deliberated, cause when I first met you, girl, your smile made a statement. You gave me your name, you gave me your number. The international school of management, wonderful. I'm a man of my word, I would never disappoint you. Whatever you want, girl, you know I do for you. Come on. Every time I see your face in Galaxy Club or Gravity Club, we get the same time like we rode to the club. You wear your Louis Vuitton jacket with the boots to match expensive taste, girl. I like that. Let's get down to it. People thought we wasn't gonna make it this far. It was hard, but we did it. It took a lot of commitment. Love was the ticket. Come on, y'all. Do is just put our mind to it, cause I'm the king, you the queen, we can do anything, cause this is amazing. Girl, you're so contagious, we playing one-on-one, I like it when you're shaking. I don't know, girl, but it's something about you. You got me doing things I thought I would never do. You make me smile when you call me boo. I confess, girl, I'm in love with you. Now look, girl, honesty is the key. Now me and you together make a perfect dynasty. Now Cupid shot the bow, made a perfect chemistry. I'm ready for you, now is you ready for me? Come on. Come on. Thank you.